Here's a quick demo of our Task Hub app for city councilors. There are two ways to enter our app. One is through the launcher icon. You click on that, it's going to bring you to our home screen. The other is through the notification bar. And on the right corner here, you can see the indicator is flashing. That means there are new messages. And you just need to swipe right to see the notification bar. Our app is Task Hub, so you click on that. That's gonna bring you to our notification screen. There are two new messages and 4 reminders for tasks. For each message, you can see who the phone number or the email address, the person who sent you this message, the title of the message, and the content of the message. You can also see the date of the message. And for task, you can see who this task is for, the title of the task, and a brief description, as well as the last time you interact with this task. And there's also a label for the task. There are 2 types of labels. One is new message, which means there are new message arriving for this task from this person. Those labels are added automatically. If you enter, it's gonna bring you to our app main screen. Here's our main screen for the Task Hub. So tasks are categorized into 3 categories. The first category is priority. Those include tasks that councilors need to handle right now. The second category is waiting orders. Those include tasks that handle or delegate to others. For example, here, the councilor delegates the task to Jessica. And we will automatically add a label for you, just like the new message. And the third category is everything else, and it includes every other tasks. And once again, you can do search, and you can group the task by category or contact. Or you can add a new task. You can type in the name of the task, a brief summary for the task, how often you want us to remind you, and when do you want a reminder to start on. So you can select multiple tasks. Notice that the option bar changes. Now the option is applied to the task you selected. You can forward tasks, remind you later, or mark those tasks as complete. So when you forward it, it's going to bring you to the forward task screen. You can select contacts to forward those tasks or delegate those tasks to, and then add a personal message. When you click on specific task, it's going to bring you to the task detail screen. Here, once again, you see the task title, a brief description of the task, as well as all the messages that are related to this task. Once again, you can search for this task, remind you later, or mark this task as incomplete. The first message in the message list is a phone call, and this one is an email. You can swipe right to remove this email from the task. When you click on a specific message, it's going to show you a pop-up, and you can close this pop-up, call back, move this message to another task, or remove this message from this task. Or you can play the voicemail. When you hit call back, it's going to bring you to the phone call screen. Once the call ended, you can create a new task for this message, or add this message to an existing task. When you hit create a new task, there's a notes section where you can add brief notes for this phone call. Now when you click on the email message, then it's going to show you another message preview box, and once again you can close the pop-up, reply to this message, move the message to another email. If you click reply, it's going to open the native email client that you can use to reply to this message. Oh, another feature is you can swipe right to mark this task as complete. That's our demo for our app for city councilors.